Hi, my name is James Gitao, and I just want to welcome you to this short video. The founder of Peak Performance International, and for the last 25 years, Peak Performance has been helping young people or young children from the ages of 5 to 18 achieve their dreams. And why do we do this? We know that as parents, as educators, the children we're dealing with nowadays are very different from how we grew up, or the situation in which our children are growing up is very different from how we grew up. One of the things that sometimes we find lacking is, resilient children who can stand up again and again, no matter how many times they fall. And so one of the things we focus on is how do you build a resilient child? The second thing we focus on is how do you give them a high performance mindset. Mindset is everything. Any success, whether it's at home, place of work, or even as a country, it's more of the mindset of the people. So what's the mindset of your child? Does he have the confidence? Do they have the mindset that they believe in themselves, that they can achieve great results? Another thing we've been training children for the last 25 years is how to accelerate their learning. Instead of the traditional method where kids have to revise and cram information, which is one of the hardest things because it works against how the brain is structured. What we do is we teach them how to use their brain in a more holistic way. That's using both hemispheres. There's some other accelerating learning techniques, such like mind maps, image streaming, and so forth. And that has really helped a lot of children achieve great results. And if you go to our website, you go to our YouTube channel, you're going to hear some amazing successful programs that we teach that we've been offering for the last 25 years. People who have moved from bottom 5 in their class to being top in the country, or just children who have moved from being not confident to more confident in themselves, or children who have moved from being angry and anxious and stressed out to more fulfilling outlook towards life. So this coming holidays, which is, your children have a lot of free time at home, you could consider engaging us engaging them in some of the programs, life-changing programs that we conduct. And these programs are going to be online, some of them, and some of them are going to be physical, in person. And even you're going to be having boot camp in which you take your children out there and really, really train them on how to get the best out of themselves. So that's the kind of partnership we're looking towards having with you. And please reach out to us, our website, our social media pages. You'll find us there, and let's help you build a better, resilient child. Thank you very much for listening.